All right, now we're at the booth at the Buy Local Expo of the Northern Rhode Island Chamber of Commerce. Big supporters of Buy Local, big supporters of business in the first place. Advocacy, and you wouldn't believe it. And of course, they partner with the BVIRBA. I think I got all the letters right, on the cash mobs that happen almost every month. Although we let March go, and we're doing it on April 1st this year, right?
Correct.
I'm here with Kristen Boy, who is, well, she's the one that sends out all the emails and reminds me, Dave, remember to talk about this on the radio.
Correct.
And stuff like that.
Yes. We have
Vice President of Marketing. Okay. Which means you have to pick up the lettuce on the way home.
Correct.
I'm just kidding, Kristen.
I handle all the events, the marketing, and member relations for the Chamber. And we really do support the local community here in Northern Rhode Island, working with businesses, try to promote them and help them grow.
And you have a raffle going on here, don't
you?
you?
Yes, we do.
Tell us about it.
This raffle is for a gift bag from our partners at Forecourt. It's a 3-month membership, and it's a $200 value. And there's other goodies in there as well. And we also have a gift certificate from JC Sports World as well.
Thanks so much for coming to the Buy Local Expo, Kristen.
And thank you so much for having me.
We'll see you again soon.
All right, thank you.